This is my old broken RO faucet, and this is a brand new one that I got from Amazon. Stick around and I'll show you how to install a new RO faucet for your under the sink RO system. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you're enjoying this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. So as you can see, my faucet became loose, and later I found out that this plastic piece came off. Regardless, it's all rusted out and I needed a new one. First step, close your water supply valve and close the pressure tank valve. This is what happens when you forget to close the pressure tank valve. Second step, use a wrench and remove the hose that is coming from the RO faucet. Third step, use another wrench to get the nut loose that's holding the RO faucet attachment to the sink. You may need someone to hold the RO faucet from the top so it doesn't spin freely. If you're like me, use some vice grips to hold it in place. Once the nut is loose, it's easier to remove it by hand than with a wrench. Fourth step, remove the RO faucet from the top. Clean the surface from the dirt and rust. I used an abrasive sponge to get rid of some of that rust. Fifth step, unbox the new RO faucet. I got this one for about $27 on Amazon. It appears to be very nice. Plus, I really liked the brushed nickel look, which matches our main sink faucet. I'll have the links in the description below. Unpack the rest of the components and remove the nut that is on the RO faucet. You can use the instructions and diagram that comes with your RO faucet. Next, take this flange and gasket and place it onto the faucet like this. Then insert the faucet into the hole from the top of the sink. Next, take this gasket, a washer, and a nut, and I'll be installing them in this order underneath the sink. Then, screw the nut with the washer and the gasket. I had a specialty tool that I found in my garage that I used to tighten the nut, but you may need to use a wrench. Next, my faucet came with these two fittings, so select the proper size depending on the type of tubing you have. Then, screw it on to the end of the faucet. Use a wrench to tighten it. Next, remove the old hardware from your tubing. Mine was easier to just cut off and remove the old nut. Then, remove the blue clip from the fitting. Next, push in the tubing into the quick disconnect fitting and place the blue clip back in. Then, open the water supply valve and open the pressure tank valve. Finally, open the faucet and let the water run for a little bit. Inspect below for any leaks and you're all set. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.